Hello lovelies. So for this look I am coming in with my makeup already done, and I am going in with my Nars black eyeliner. So I strongly recommend using a good quality eyeliner because you do not want something that will budge or smear for this look. And next I'm going in with my Morphe palette, just using the shade black, and I am going to use this to smoke out my lower lash line. And this part is completely customizable, so if you want it more intense, you can definitely make it more intense. I wanted to create something that was a little bit more everyday friendly, so not as dramatic. So as you can see, I am using the very end of that very small brush just to create a winged look towards the end. So at this point, you definitely want to take your time when blending that pigment towards your tear duct area. And now I'm going in with my black eyeliner, and this is just NYX liquid eyeliner in black. And I am slowly creating more of that sort of angled, pointy edge, I don't really know what it's called, in the tear duct area. I'm just taking some of that black pigment and blending it on top of the eyeliner so that the two work together seamlessly. And then for my eyeshadow shade, I'm going in with the color Warmth, and this is from my Tarte Toasted palette, as well as a fluffy brush. And that is what I love about this look, is you can honestly choose whatever color you want to and just really make it your own. So I wanted to use this really soft, it's like almost like a burnt sienna, like warm, like reddish brown color. I thought that would be so pretty, you know, as we're like preparing to go into fall, but we're still in summer. I thought something that was really warm and complementary to, you know, my brown skin would be really nice. So for this first eye, I literally did it backwards. I started with my bottom liner and then put the eyeshadow, and then now I'm putting the liquid eyeliner on the top of my eyelid. But for the next eye, you guys will see, I actually start with the eyeshadow first. So now I'm taking that same reddish brown shade and just using that to blend into the black eyeshadow. And again, this can be as dramatic as you want it to be, or honestly as soft and as simple as you want it to be. So now we have the first eye all set, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. So this time starting with the eyeshadow color. Thus, this eyeshadow look is relatively simple. I did want to use dramatic lashes just to complement the eyeliner. Now I am just removing all of that excess powder. So I do recommend doing this look while your face is baking, just so that if you have any product fallout or any issues with like the black pigment or anything like that, you can easily just brush it off of your face. And then I did also go in and set my makeup as well using the e.l.f. setting spray. So now I am just finishing this look, and I wanted to show you the products that I used for my lips because I really wanted something soft and warm that would not take away from that eye look that we were going for. So I will have all of those products listed down below for you as well. And honestly, that's it. I love the way this look turned out. I feel like it is just very warm, very bronzed. I am loving it. Honestly, I feel like this reverse cat eye look is such an easy way to create drama for the face without doing a lot of work. So you know I'm a fan of that. If you have any questions about this look or just in general about my channel, please leave that down below for me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think for all of my hooded eye beauties. Will you be trying out this look? Have you tried out the reverse cat eye? Would you like to see it more dramatic? Are you feeling this more so, toned down version? Let me know in the comments. And as always, beauties, I will see you in my next video. Bye.